we are to round off the following numbers to the nearest hundredth. And here's the solution. For the A, we have 12.7125. And to the nearest hundredth means we round it off to this point where we have 1 in our rounding place. So you see that you must have 2 decimal places to get the nearest hundredth. So that is whatever you get in your answer has to be in 2 decimal place. So this is then approximately. Now, recall that you write every other digit up until your rounding place. So we would have 12.7. Now, before you write the 1, you have to check the next digit to it. And that digit is 2, which implies that we round down. And when you are rounding down, it means you leave that digit as it is. You do not add anything to it. So we'll just have it as 1. And every other thing becomes 0. Now, it is to the nearest hundredth, which requires to write it in 2 decimal places. So our answer is 12.71 to the nearest hundredth. Now to solve question B, we have 103.2099. This is also to the nearest hundredth, and the digit in that place value is 0. So when we are approximating, our answer has to be in 2 decimal places. So let's write down our answer. This will be 103.2. Now, before we write the 0, we have to check the next digit, and the next digit is 9. This implies that we round up, and that means that we will increase the rounding place by 1. So instead of 0, I will add 1 to it. That is increasing it by 1, and then I get 1. So my answer is 103.21 to the nearest hundredth. And then finally, for C, we have 15.6008. And this is approximately. This should give us 15.6. Now, the next digit after this 0, which is in the rounding place, is another 0, which implies that we round down. So we keep it as it is, which is 0. So this is to the nearest hundredth. And that's the solution to this problem. Thank you.